Alright, good Saturday morning everybody. Hope everybody's having a great weekend so far. But one of the most requested videos that I believe I get is for startups. So this diesel engine we're about to start in this locomotive has been shut down for about 30 minutes or so. So I don't have to purge it or blow it down. I get asked that a lot. Each cylinder on these engines has an individual compression relief valve. And if the locomotive or the diesel engine has been shut down for 4 hours or longer, we purge them. If it's rained at all while it's been shut down, we purge it. And all that means is we open up those compression relief valves and we spin the engine over to make sure there's no moisture on top of the cylinders. I can explain why that happens in another video. But let's go get this thing started. Hold on 1 minute. Got to put the power up.